Hi, I'm Josh Romero, and we're here at the 2008 Austin Maker Faire. I'm going to take you around and show you some of the best technology and engineering projects here.
I'm Richard Carter, and this car over here is called the Sashimi Tabernacle Choir. It's an example of something called an art car. And this is a rather technological car. It's got roughly 250 singing fish and lobsters. They're all choreographed and computer controlled. And it's a lot of fun. Well, I was walking through a store one day years ago, and I saw one of those annoying singing fish that they were selling around Christmas, and I was thinking to myself how annoying it was. And then the light bulb went off over my head, and I realized if one was that annoying, how annoying could 250 be? And it kind of took over my life at that point. Bought a few fish and took them apart. That's the first step for anything, I think, taking something apart. We kind of decided that the electromechanical stuff was real easy. You know, if you just sent 3 voltages to the various motors, you could get all the movements you want. So we kept that part of the fish, and we threw away all the existing electronics and put in our own replacements. A lot of the fish, the bass there, actually have 3 independent motors, mouth, head, and tail. We treat them as on-off switches. Well, right now our system is, most of the car is really computer controlled. We did keep a couple of things to be manual, partially because that gives you a little bit more backup, but mainly because some things are just really fun to do manually. So the conductor that shoots in and out, that's completely manual, and there are a couple of other things. But everything else is computer control. We can set it down, set it running, and walk off. For most songs, we tend to have a solo part and 1 or 2 different chorus parts. So depending on the song, we'll have certain parts of the car rise up and start singing one chorus, another part of the car sing another chorus. We got a couple of different soloists, so they could sing different solo parts. All in all, the control system could do as many as 8 completely separate parts. But we've never actually used that many on any given song. We were under extreme time pressure when we started this. From the time I conceived it to when we had to show it in a parade was roughly 4 months. So, but fortunately about 20 of my friends helped out. And we got, the basic car as you see it today working by that point. None of the computer controls were there. Most of the complex stuff wasn't there, but the car itself with the fish and the ability to move, that was there. The main cost is our time, really. And at this point, there's probably 5 man-years of work in it. If we converted that to consulting rates, that'd be a rather ridiculous number, so I don't even try to do that.
For IEEE Spectrum, I'm Josh Romero.